students and my viewer, you are already requested to you किसी भी प्लान को, किसी भी टॉपिक को अगर एक्सप्रेस आप लोगों के समक्ष किया जाता है तो यदि एक्सप्रेशन आपको अच्छा लगता है, आप सेटिस्फाइड होते हैं, तो एक्सप्रेशन को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर ज़रूर करें। तो चलिए, आई एम एट द लास्ट मोमेंट of electrostatics chapter, in which I would define you that to show that capacity of a spherical capacitor is directly proportional to its radius। किसी भी गोलीय संधारित्र की धारिता उसके त्रिज्या की समानुपाती होता है। इस चीज़ को ड्राइव करने के लिए हम आपके समक्ष हैं, तो आप इसे देखें और लाभ उठावें। यू हैव गेन समथिंग एंड कलेक्ट सम नॉलेज। इट इज़ वेरी हैप्पियर टू मी एंड आई again demand with you that if the plan is effective, better and understandable, knowledgeable and easier, then you must have to subscribe it, like it and share it to your colleagues, relations and their own many person or place. Let here the structure, a spherical figure is drawn which center is O, or the radius that is OA, and a spherical surface is charged by Q coulomb. Consider A is here, OA is radius distance. So here I explain here, R radius a spherical conductor is charged by Q coulomb. Also, suppose total charge is centralized in its center of the sphere, then potential at a point on center of the spherical conductor is V, that is Vibhav, V equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon R. Q upon R. Let we consider it equation first. The capacity of a spherical conductor, if kept in air or in a vacuum, अगर स्फेरिकल कंडक्टर को हवा में या निर्वात में, जहाँ पर एटमॉस्फेयर नहीं है वहाँ रखा जाए, देन सी the capacity is directly proportional to the ratio of charge and their potential. Let's consider it equation second. Now putting the value of Now putting the value of equation first into the equation second. Because V equal to you have Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R, that is putting into this position. Then on putting equation first in equation second, V equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R. Therefore, C varies Q upon the value of V here, that can be putting here, then Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into R, or it can be proceeded as Q upon Q into 4 pi epsilon naught R. This value is eliminated. Therefore, it can be written here, C is directly proportional to the 4 pi epsilon naught R, where 4 pi epsilon naught is constant because a spherical conductor is putting in the medium of either of air or in a vacuum. Therefore, let 4 pi epsilon naught is 1, then C varies 1 into R, that is C varies R. This is the resultant of a spherical capacitors is directly proportional to its radius. On the basis of Gauss's theorem, we come to here the capacity of a spherical capacitors or a conductor is also depended upon its own radius, which is directly proportional to each other. So C varies R, that is proved. Tomorrow, the next class, I am coming to you in chapter electric current, in which we define many of the terms and their unit that are applicable in many of the problems. Thanking you, and again my first argument to you, this plan is effectively, if in presence of in your mind, and very easier process to done, then you are requested to subscribe it at first, thereafter like, and third option in your hand also, that is share to anyone of your colleagues, other students, parents, and so on. Thanking you for the next visit